Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Adding a second monitor to your Windows 11 setup is a great way to increase productivity. In most cases, connecting and detecting a secondary display is automatic. But what if things don't work as expected? In this video, I will guide you through 4 troubleshooting steps to get that second monitor up and running on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. There is a simple keyboard shortcut that may work for multi-display issues. Just press the shortcut keys Window, Control, Shift, and B all together. If that doesn't work, let's try a restart. Turn off and on both your computer and your second monitor. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix minor software glitches and get your second monitor recognized. The next step is to double-check the connection. Make sure your cables are securely plugged in at both the computer and the monitor. If your monitor has multiple video output ports like HDMI and DisplayPort, try connecting the monitor to a different one. You can also swap out the cable entirely to see if the issue lies with the cable itself or the ports on your PC. This will help you identify if the problem is a faulty cable or a port malfunction. Another thing to check is your computer's display settings to double-check if your second monitor is detected successfully. Right-click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Under Multiple Displays, click the Detect button to manually attempt a connection. Normally, detection happens automatically, but in this case, you can also press the Windows and P keys together to open the project panel. You can choose Duplicate to show the same screen on all displays, Extend to drag windows between your main screen and the second monitor, or Second Screen Only to see everything on the second display only. Keeping your system up to date is another step in troubleshooting so that you can receive bug fixes that may resolve monitor detection issues. To check for updates, open Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Once there, simply click Check for Updates and install any updates that are available. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.